Welcome. In front of me is a WIKO U Pulse, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. To get started, you want to hold your power button. There we go. And once you see your boot options, hold power off. This will then change into reboot to safe mode, so we're going to click on OK to initiate the reboot. And once the device boots back up, it automatically goes to safe mode. Now, I will mention right now that when you boot your device into safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will work. Anything that you have installed yourself will be temporarily turned off. Don't worry, that's completely normal. It's basically part of the safe mode. And the reason it does so is so you can troubleshoot your phone. So if some app is causing you problems, that app obviously in this mode will not be able to do anything. As you can see, we have the little marking right here. Let's give it a second. And the device will boot up. There we go. Now, quickly looking through, we don't really have anything that the device is turning off, apart from maybe weather. Yep, so weather is not part of the applications that will be able to run. Also, we have Fun Hub. So you can see that the apps that will not run are now monochrome. Now, additionally, disregard the language change. It was initially in English, but that is not the fault of safe mode that it's changed it. It's actually the fault that rebooting the device did activate the SIM card, and the SIM card is from Poland, so it automatically, for some stupid reason like some devices do, changes the language to the language of the SIM. So I will need to fix that up later. But there we go. So you can see that a couple apps don't work right here that are also the default apps for this device, and widgets don't work. Now, that being said, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one so everything can work normally as it did before, hold your power button once again and select restart or reboot, whatever it's called. It's the middle option. The device will reboot, and when it boots back up, it will automatically go to normal mode. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.